Woo! This is a mail call. I don't know what's in this box, but it's heavy. I can tell you guys this, just the shipping on it. Where's my little shipping label? All right, on this side. Just the shipping cost $83.30. I don't know if the camera can see that or not, but this is a mail call. This come from Brad Allen Welding, and he is in Imperial Beach, California. And I talked to Brad a little bit through, text message on Instagram or whatever. And anyway, I sent him some stickers and stuff, and we just, kind of talked a little bit. But he is into making custom door handles, just all kind of cool rustic. Let me go get the phone. So Brad's got a company, and he's in business on his own, and it's kind of a new company, and he makes a lot of rustic, door handles, gate hinges, stuff like that. It's some pretty cool stuff. He's got a website. And I'll make sure to leave a link down below down here, and that way you guys can check it out, because he's got some pretty cool stuff. Anyway, let's get this thing open and see what we got in here. There it is. Stick it in the wrong pocket. It's been a really long day. Like, really long day today. Crazy long day. But it's almost over. So I got this thing this morning. I've kind of waited all day so I wouldn't be interrupted, and I could open this thing up. See what I mean? They're right there. All right. Sorry about that. That's why I wanted to wait till the end of the day. And we're actually closed, so they're still calling. Let's see what we got. It's big, I know that. That's everywhere. Let's move that box down. I don't even know what it is yet, but that's pretty right there. Man, that is beautiful. Yeah. You know what it is? Mm-hmm. This is nice. This is really, really nice. Which we got a fireplace in our house. That is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Man, that's gonna look so good in the house too, because we kind of got like a rustic looking decor in our living room. Oh, that is awesome. You know what that is? It's a handle, a door handle. Ain't that cool?
Super cool. That's beautiful.
It is very beautiful. Just awesome. Right there, how beautiful that is. That's hard to believe that gang can make all that in it. I couldn't make a straight poker. All right, sent some lag bolts. That'll be for the door handle. And he sent me some cards. I want to show you guys his business card in case any of you would like to get some of this cool stuff. There's his business card, and his website is www.bradallenweldingco.com. There's his phone number. I'll leave a still shot of this at the end. And he wrote me a note on the back of one of these cards that says, "Thanks again for the stickers and all the quality videos. I'm interested to see what the future brings for your YouTube community. The Fireplace tools have a paste wax finish. If you ever need to touch it up, let me know if there's any problems. Brad Allen." This is amazing. That is absolutely beautiful. And this door handle is absolutely gorgeous. I love the look of that. But anyway, let me get all this mess cleaned up and we'll take some good shots of this thing, and that way you guys can see this, because it is beautiful. All right, guys, here it is. As you can see, it's beautiful. We're gonna go around it, and that way you guys get a good close look at it, because it's really awesome looking. He's got an Etsy address if you guys want to look him up on there. It's Allen Forge and Fab. If you want to look up his website address, I'll put it across here at the bottom. It's www.bradallenweldingco.com, and I'll get a link to his website and all that. So you guys take a look at this, because this is amazing. This is beautiful. All right, guys, as you've seen, this thing is smoking hot. So be sure to take a, go to Brad's website and look at it, and I'll leave a link to it up here. But thanks, guys, for watching. Like always, if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe down here below, and we will catch you guys next time. Y'all have a great one.